everybody? RVA Lego Guy here, coming right back at you with another speed build and review of Lego Ideas Set 21315. That is the storybook pop-up book, Once Upon a Brick. I am super excited about this. This is one of the, I think this is the newest Lego Ideas set. It comes with two different scenes, Jack and the Beanstalk and Little Red Riding Hood. I am just so darn pumped on it. It looks so cool. Comes with 4 full-size minifigures, 1 child minifigure, and then a micro figure. Everything about this just looks absolutely cool. The box is awesome. I can't wait to build this. So yeah, let's get started. so that is that. This is such a cool set. Oh my goodness. I am so excited that I finally got this and built it. We got the extra little scene here. I'll show you that in a second. You got all the minifigures here. You got Jack here, the little micro figure, the giant here, Grandma, Little Red Riding Hood, and the wolf in Grandma's clothes. This thing is absolutely amazing. I love it. This is the Jack and the Beanstalk one. I mean, how cool is that? I mean, just the engineering in this is phenomenal. It's so cool, and I love it so much. Just the way it folds and closes, and the look of the book itself, it's just everything you want in a little novelty set like this. I absolutely love it. And it's super simple. It's a lot more simple, like the mechanics of it, than I thought, but it's definitely something I would have never thought of to do. And yeah, so to change out the scenes, all you got to do is pull these little guys up. Put this to the side. Then this guy comes up right here, which will let that lower. And these are the little grabber bricks here, so that's how that comes out. And then all you gotta do is click this fella back in and put the scenes back in the book. And yeah, that's all you have to do. That is just so amazing. I am so thrilled on this. I love it. I absolutely love it. It is just so cool. Yeah, I highly suggest you going out and grabbing one. I can't believe these things haven't just like, I can't believe every Lego collector doesn't have one. This is just so cool. It's a pop-up book. I can't wait to see if they do more like this. Love it. Yeah. Thank y'all so much for watching my videos. It means the world to me. Give this video a big old like, thumbs up, you know, leave a comment, let me know what you think, let me know what you want to see me build next, what you want me to do in general on this channel, and yeah, thank you again, have a wonderful day, and as always, happy building. Bye-bye.